Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 31 of Paper 1 SPM Physics 2016. Let's take a look at the question together. Diagram 19 shows a wave barrier. What is the function of the gap between the wave barrier? Alright, so the function of the gap between the wave barrier. Now when you look at this diagram, right, you have to think of diffraction. Alright, so diffraction. Now, so diffraction really is just the spreading of the waves, okay? Whether it goes through a gap or whether it goes through a small barrier, what happens is that the waves will actually spread out. So in this case, when you go through a gap like this, so let's say these are the water waves, what happens is that it will spread out, okay? So that's called diffraction. Now, so for here, okay, so we can see that this is close to the land. So chances are maybe there are boats around, there's people around. And you know that water waves or sea waves can actually be very strong. So the wave barrier there with the gap is what it does is it actually reduces the energy of the wave. Because if the wave has a lot of energy, it has the capability of destroying a lot of things. So when you spread out the waves like this, right, what happens is you actually spread out the energy. So you're spreading out the energy. So in this case, we want to reduce the energy. We do not want it to be too concentrated at a specific area. So the way you reduce energy is actually you reduce the amplitude. Because in waves, amplitude and energy are directly related. So when you have a wave that has a higher amplitude, for example, like this is considered to be higher energy compared to a wave like this. Okay, so amplitude and energy go hand in hand. So from here, obviously we want to reduce the energy, or we want to reduce the wave of the amplitude. Sorry, we want to reduce the amplitude of the wave. So from here, we can take a look at the answers. A, to reduce wavelength, okay, that is, well, as it approaches land, the deep water will go to shallow water. So yes, it does reduce, but however, it's not the function of the gap. B, to reduce wave velocity. Again, it does reduce because it goes from deep to shallow water, but it's not the function of the gap. And C, to reduce wave amplitude. So C is actually the answer, and D is not correct. Frequency is unchanged. So remember that it's used to reduce wave amplitude because you want to reduce the wave energy. Alright, so yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching.